Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we will explore various common practices for working with threads in Java. Threads are essential for performing concurrent tasks in your application, and understanding how to use them effectively is crucial for building responsive applications. Hashtag basics of threads in Java. In Java, a thread is a lightweight process, and you can create a thread by either extending the thread class or implementing the runnable interface. Here's a simple example. Hashtag thread practice problems. Hashtag problem 1, creating multiple threads. Task * create multiple threads that print numbers from 1 to 5. Solution *. Hashtag problem 2, synchronized threads. Task * create a counter that increments by multiple threads. Ensure the counter is thread safe. Solution *. Hashtag problem 3, producer-consumer problem. Task * implement a simple producer-consumer problem using threads. Solution *. Hashtag important concepts in threading. 1. Thread life cycle * understand the different states of a thread: new, runnable, blocked, waiting, timed waiting, terminated. 2. Synchronization * use synchronized blocks and methods to prevent thread interference. 3. Deadlock * be aware of situations where threads are waiting for each other indefinitely. 4. Thread pools * use executor service for managing a pool of threads rather than creating new threads for every task. Hashtag conclusion. This tutorial provides a basic guide to working with threads in Java through practical problems and scenarios. Practice these examples, modify them, and try to come up with new threading problems to deepen your understanding of concurrency in Java. Happy coding!